Thank you for tuning in, guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I bring you a Greenlight that I got at Hobby Lobby. It's the Series 32, by the way. This one has the new logo. It used to say Greenlight Collectibles, now it's just Greenlight. It's a 20 series. The dump bed doesn't work, but it does move up and down. It's just the gate doesn't move, which is unfortunate. But this one is weather, which is the main reason why I bought it. Here's the rest of the series. Back side of the package and all that fun stuff. Then we crack it open and then we'll be back to see the model. And here's the model. Like I said, the bed goes up and down. It's just that this doesn't move. I said it's unfortunate, but here it is. Look at all that rust, all that weathering. The bed is made out of plastic, but everything else, like the frame and the cap, are made out of metal. Cool details. And rubber tires. And here's some more information about the truck, the number. Oh, and there's the exhaust on the side. It's pretty cool. The mud flaps, the Chevrolet logo, those are nice too. Those are made out of soft plastic. Greenlight claims that these are 164, and I just wanted to compare that with this guy that we previously did a review on. Just wanted to see if it was kind of like the same size, and it kind of looks, yeah. So this is small trucks. They used to be a lot tiny compared to newer trucks, but the wheels look kind of about the same. This one I added that stuff just so that it looks more realistic, but that's not our main focus right now. This guy is, so yeah, I will say this is 164. I do like that, and I wish this on the back side would open, but oh, and here's the front. Some details. Chevrolet. Pretty cool. And some stickers inside. Let me know what you think about this guy. Say I like the weather aspect of it, and the truck itself is really nice. As always, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and